know the way to live a happy life? This is a question we all face, but the answers vary for everyone. Some say money is enough, others say fame and being a well-known person lead to happiness. A common belief is that those who work hard today will be happy in the future. That hard work is the only key to success and happiness. People often think if you take life too lightly now, you will suffer later. But are money and fame truly enough to live happily? The architecture of a truly great life. We spend our whole lives chasing things that aren't real. From the time we are young, we are told that to be happy, we must work constantly. We are told that hard work brings success, success brings money, and money brings a good life. We treat our lives like machines, focusing on inputs and outputs, technicalities and bank balances. But while we are busy building our empires, we are often forgetting to build our foundations. There is a truth that took 85 years of scientific research to confirm. It didn't come from a book or a theory. It came from the real lives of 724 people tracked from their teenage years until their final breaths. From the slums of Boston to the halls of Harvard and even to the White House, the data spoke one single, undeniable truth. Happiness is not a destination you arrive at through achievement. It is a byproduct of how you connect. The most successful people in this study weren't the ones who made the most money or won the most awards. They were the people who leaned into relationships with family, with friends, and with their community. Loneliness is a silent killer. It doesn't just make you sad. It physically decays your body. It steals your memory, clouds your brain, and shortens your life. But social connection, it is a medicine. Those who stayed connected lived longer, stayed sharper, and felt less physical pain even as they aged. But hear this carefully. It isn't about the number of friends you have. It isn't about being the life of the party or having 1,000 followers. You can be lonely in a crowd, and you can be lonely in a marriage. Quality is the only currency that matters. A life lived in the middle of conflict is toxic. It is better to be alone than to be in a relationship that drains your soul. But a life lived with even one person, you can truly count on someone who sees you, hears you, and holds you up when you fail, is a life that is biologically protected against the hardships of the world. So, look at your life today. When was the last time you put down the phone and really looked into the eyes of someone you love? When was the last time you took a long walk just to talk? When was the last time you sat at a dinner table and shared a laugh that didn't involve a screen? We plan for our financial futures with such intensity, but do we plan for our relationship future? Do we invest in our people with the same hunger we used to invest in our careers? Your life is not a series of tasks to be completed. It is a story to be shared. If you want to be healthy at 80, you have to be kind at 20. If you want a future that is bright, you have to make your connections deep today. Take care of your people, because in the end, when the fame fades and the money is just numbers on a screen, the only thing that will remain to keep you warm is the love you chose to build. Build a life that is connected. That is the only way to live. If you want more motivational talk like this, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.